Hello students, today we will discuss the Vijayanagar Empire. In 1336, Vijayanagar Empire was established by two brothers, Harihar and Bukka. They were feudatories or subordinates of the Kakatiyas of Warangal. Students, in 1323, the kingdom of Warangal was controlled by Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Then these two brothers shifted ways to Kampili, and here they entered into the service of the local ruler. But when the Tughlaqs conquered Kampili, then these two brothers were taken captive. जब तुगलक्स ने काम्पिली को कॉन्कर कर लिया तो इन दोनों ब्रदर्स को कैप्टिव प्रिजनर बना लिया गया. बट लेटर दे वर सेंड टू साउथ इंडिया टू क्रश द रिबेलियंस देयर. स्टूडेंट्स, आफ्टर सम टाइम they rebelled against Muhammad bin Tughlaq and declared their independence and established Vijayanagar Empire. Students, Harihar ascended the throne in 1336 and he ruled for 20 years. After his death, his brother Bukka ruled over the kingdom of Vijayanagar till 1377. These two brothers fought against Hoysala, ruler of Mysore and the king of Madurai. Bukka defeated the latter and annexed his kingdom. उनके किंगडम को एनेक्स्ड कर लिया. इसने उनके टेरिटरीज को बुका ने एनेक्स्ड कर लिया या कंट्रोल में अपने कंट्रोल में ले लिया. ग्रेजुअली ए लार्ज पार्ट ऑफ साउथ इंडिया केम अंडर हिज कंट्रोल. बुका के कंट्रोल में साउथ इंडिया का एक लार्ज पार्ट हो जाता है. Students, the kingdom of Vijayanagar Empire lasted for 230 years. During this period, there were main three dynasties ruled over the Vijayanagar Empire. These dynasties were Sangam dynasty, ruled from 1336 to 1485. Salva dynasty, ruled from 1485 to 1505, and Tulwa dynasty, ruled from 1505 to 1565. Students, the greatest ruler of the Vijayanagar Empire was the Krishna Dev Rai. He ruled from 1509 to 1530. Students, Krishna Dev Rai defeated the Bahmani Sultan and the king of the Odisha. Krishna Dev Rai also annexed the Raichur Doab. Students, Raichur Doab was a very fertile region and it was located between the Krishna and Tungabhadra rivers. Krishna Dev Rai encouraged trade and commerce and established trading links with the Portuguese, the Dutch and the English. He also encouraged agriculture and he built many tanks, canals and dams for irrigation. Students, many foreign travelers visited the Vijayanagar Empire such as Niccolo Conti, Abdul Razak, Domingo Pais. They provided a lot of information about the Vijayanagar Empire. They have described the capital city of Hampi and the life of the people in those times. Students, now we will discuss the administration of the Vijayanagar Empire. King was the supreme authority and a council of ministers assisted him. Empire was divided into mandalams called provinces. Then mandalams were divided into nadus called sub-districts. Then nadus were divided into isthalas called districts. Then isthalas were divided into gramas called villages. Students, local self-government became during this period. Village administration became feudal in nature and administrative post became hereditary and the king became dependent on feudal lords. Students, the economic condition of the Vijayanagar Empire. The Vijayanagar Empire was a very rich kingdom, and the revenue from the land was the main source of income. There were other taxes such as on property, marriage, sale of the goods, etc. Students, land revenue was levied according to the fertility of land. लैंड की जैसी फर्टिलिटी होती थी उसके अकॉर्डिंग लैंड रेवेन्यू इम्प्लीमेंट की जाती थी. स्टूडेंट्स, आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ द कृष्णदेव राय, द विजयनगर एम्पायर बिकेम वीक एंड द नेबरिंग किंगडम्स ऑफ द डेक्कन जॉइंड हैंड्स. जितने भी जो डेक्कन के किंगडम्स थे उन्होंने वो यूनाइट हो गए एंड देन दे डिफीटेड द किंग ऑफ द विजयनगर इन 1565 in the Battle of Talikota. Thank you.